Morning, everybody. It's 8:37, and this is your pre-opening comment for today, Thursday, the 17th of March. Um, we had uh, claims numbers today. Give you an idea, there was really very little action after the claims numbers, the housing starts, permits, and the Philly Fed. Claims down 15,000 to 214,000. That's new claims. Um, Continuing claims 1,419,000. That's down 71,000. That is also a new post pandemic low. Housing starts were down, were up 6.8% versus an expectation of 3.8%, and permits were 1,769,000, and the estimate there was for down 2.6%. It only came in at down 1.9%. And the housing number yesterday that we got, the NHFA builders sentiment, was also pretty much in line. That has not decreased. What's interesting to me is the Philly Fed number, which came in at 27.4 versus expectations for 15. I really have a problem understanding this when Philly Fed is a big positive, but Empire State, 150 miles away, is a big negative. So I don't know how that shakes out. Lennar is roughly unchanged on the day. Asia and Europe both higher after our rally yesterday. The Lennar is about unchanged, basically just inline numbers. Um, Berkshire Hathaway, new all time high, just over 500,000. And they bought some more Oxy in the open market. Remember, they also have that warrant attached to the loan, the $10 billion loan that Berkshire loaned Oxy to buy Anadarko. And Warby Parker, a miss, a wider than expected loss, and really poor guidance going forward. This deal came out in the end of September last year at 40. It opened at around 54. It traded as high as 60. Excuse me. And the low on this decline was 22. The stock closed yesterday at 26.82, and this morning is 20.85. That's a new low, down $5.97 or 22%. So before the economic numbers came out, the Dow was down 110, the futures. Currently down 120, so no big deal one way or the other there. The NASDAQ is now down 81. It had been down 78, so also no big influence there. And the S&Ps were down 16, now down about 16. So really not a lot going on. Actually now down 17 and a half on the S&P. In the futures world, we have gold rebounding. I told you yesterday, the day before, and in my comments over the weekend, $95 looked like an area of support. We went through it a little on Tuesday, 93 and change, and in fact, we closed 94.79, which is close enough for government work. Yesterday, we were 93.59, higher though, that it was an inside day, higher than Tuesday's area. And this morning, we are back up to 100, spot 19 up $5. Uh, I told you that Dennis was looking at 1900 as support, as was I, and we went to a low yesterday of 1895 and change, I believe, 1895.20, closed 1909, and this morning are 1941, up 31 and a half. So excellent call by Dennis. I remind everybody that we do have a metals only trading account that is paid for only on a percentage of profits. If you have an interest in that, you need to get a hold of me, direct message, call, email, anything you like, and I will be happy to send you out information on that. A lot of talk about nat gas this morning, that the government has increased the number of permits for sending it out of the U.S. The grains are mixed. After yesterday's down move in the corn, it is up, but wheat remains lower. Let's see what else we have here. As I said, S&P's, the other futures doing not a whole heck of a lot of anything. Bitcoin, same thing, up 70 on 40,000, I'm on almost 41,000, so nothing there. Ethereum a little higher, and bonds up about 12/32. That's 3/8 of a point. All right, everyone, I'll be back later.